Hi everyone! Behind me is our space capsule, and the length of the space is 11.8 meters. The space equipped with one balcony, one living room, one bathroom, and one bedroom. It can also customized according to customers' needs. Do you want to know more details about it? Follow me. The door equipped with a smart security door. This is the bedroom, and it can put a double bed. This is the bathroom, and this is living room. The capsule equipped with the whole house intelligent system. 小智管家，
来了。
关闭客厅窗帘。
好的，关闭客厅窗帘已执行。
The roof has an intelligent skylight. The room have 3 sides floor-to-the-ceiling windows, used double low-E glass, and there have a big balcony which has good view. Now let me see the bathroom.
The bathroom designed with the wet and dry separate and equipped with a smart beauty mirror with LED light and a wash basin.
This is the toilet, and this is the shower room with shower head and water heater.